5 ways to care for and maintain your medical scale. Number 1. Find the best place for your scale. When choosing where to place your scale, ensure it will be located on a flat, hard surface and avoid padded or thick carpeted floors. Number 2. Perform basic scale maintenance. Check the scale's overall appearance to ensure no apparent signs of damage. Inspect the condition of the AC adapter and make sure it is safe to use. Number 3. Thoroughly clean your scale. Before starting the cleaning process, turn the power off and disconnect the scale from the AC power source if using the adapter. Clean all external surfaces with a clean, damp cloth or tissue. Mild soap and water solution may carefully be used. Dry with a clean, soft cloth. Number 4. Store your scale in a safe place. If you need to put your scales away when not in use, store your medical scales in a clean, dry place when not used. Avoid areas with high humidity and potential for water on the scale. Number 5. Learn how to check your scale. Using body weight or consumer barbell weights may not result in true accuracy. Use only certified calibration weights available from Central Carolina Scale to guarantee your scale's reading is correct. It is recommended to check your scale with at least 10% of the scale's capacity or 100 pounds on a routine basis. This will establish a baseline and determine whether a scale is within acceptable tolerances or needs recalibration. Do not shock load or drop weights onto the scale. Well, there you have it, our top 5 ways to care for and maintain your medical scales. We also recommend having your scales checked and calibrated on a regular basis. Visit CentralCarolinaScale.com to learn more about our service agreements that we offer.